I don't know if you can hear this with all this stuff going, but there's obviously some serious play in this motor. So let's turn. It sounds like it's coming from this piston right here. It sounds really bad. I have no clue what that gunky stuff is. I think it's when the stuff spilled on the motor. One second. Alright. Oh yeah. I just pushed on the piston and you can. It's definitely the bearing cap, I would say. Holy crap. It moves just a tad bit when you push down on it. Let's try it. See if you can see it. Probably not. It just moves down a little bit. Let me try the other piston. 1 second here. There you go. So yeah, let me try the other piston. I don't think it has an issue. Oh, that one's good. So yeah, that would be number 2. I would say rod bearing. Bad, very bad piston.